A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 22nd edition of Orawa for the Children of Africa was held on 28 May at the initiative of the Salesian Lodzi Viatu Missionary Volunteer Movement (SWM) in Krakow in the Salesian province of Krakow PLS and in collaboration with the municipalities of Jablonka and Lipnica Wielka. It was linked as always to a charitable purpose. The volunteers, accompanied by Salesian priests, went to the 12 parishes in Orawa and during the masses offered their testimonies asking for support for street children in Sierra Leone and precisely for the girls who were involved in prostitution and also for homeless boys. On Saturday 8 and Sunday 9 June, the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM) team from the Grand Buenos Aires South area held the formation meeting Dreams, Utopias and Reality at the Maria Auxiliadora School in Avellaneda under the motto, I Believe in Your Voice. The formation event was attended by 110 leaders from the House of Salesians of Don Bosco and the Daughters of Mary Help in Bernal, Avellaneda, Don Bosco Itati and Esperanza Grande. This edition closed the first cycle of the experience, which consists of 3 levels, and welcomed the first graduates. Different workshops are held at each level in the areas of evangelization, Salesianity, socio-community animation, and socio-political commitment. It was a commitment to the formation of leaders to continue caring for and accompanying the lives of young people. The 23rd Provincial Chapter of the Salesian Province of Brazil Belo Horizonte BBH concluded on 7 June, focusing on the theme, In Love with Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people. Starting on 4 June, the first 2 days were marked by moments of reflection and dialogue on the 3 core areas of JC29. In addition to these themes, a synodal consultation was held to reflect on the possibility of creating a new religious community and a new presence next year to celebrate the 150th anniversary of the first missionary expedition of Don Bosco. Father Jose Ricardo Mole, SDB, Vice Provincial of the BBH Province and Chapter Moderator, emphasized the good work of the commissions and the quality of the reflections and final texts, which demonstrated teamwork and what every desired Salesians and lay people to look to the future with hope. At noon on Thursday, 13 June 2024, in the Basilica of the Sacred Heart at Castro Pretorio, 38 priests from the section for first evangelization and the new particular churches in the dicastery for evangelization, formerly the dicastery of the Congregation for the Evangelization of Peoples or Propaganda Fide, gathered to celebrate the Eucharist and to thank the Sacred Heart for the pastoral year that had passed, for the work done, and for the priestly anniversaries of some members. The Mass was presided over by Cardinal Luis Antonio Tagle, former prefect of the dicastery and today pro-prefect of the section for first evangelization and the new particular churches, with Archbishop Fortunatus Vachuku, Archbishop Sketri and Archbishop Emilio Napa, Assistant Secretary, at his side. The Japan Federation of Past Pupils of Don Bosco, led by President Mr. Shinya Yokoyama, held the 2024 Board of Directors meeting at the Salesio Gakin High School in Yokohama on 8 June. This was the first meeting of the council after the new organization of the members of the council, and it was also the first opportunity for Father Francis Assisi Atsushi Hamasaki, SDB, the new Salesian provincial delegate for the federation, who took office only on 6 June, to hold his official positions. At the beginning of the board meeting, Father Daniel Masaharu Torigo, SDB, principal of the school, gave a welcome address on behalf of the educational community, followed by discussion and approval of the previous year's activity report and budget, as well as the activity policy and budget for the current year. In addition, the working group presented and discussed ideas for the Federation's activities on the occasion of the centenary of the arrival of Salesians of Don Bosco in Japan, 8 February 2026. President Yokoyama thanked the participants and said, After COVID-19, the Japanese Federation is starting over again. Dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.